I could not walk for 14 weeks, and I just walked. I could not do this.
Have a seat.
I don't even know how I'm doing this.
I got more.
I'm not kidding.
I got more.
Oh my God.
Welcome to the office.
I cannot believe this.
You can't handle what?
I can't believe this.
I just barely touched your C5, man. What did you come here for?
I wanted to walk and I couldn't walk for 14 weeks. I'm not joking.
And you were told you're L4, L5.
That's what they said.
And I found a C5 to start. Guys, this was a last minute kind of video we're doing here.
I cannot believe this. I can't believe this.
I didn't touch you.
Should I sit down?
I don't know. You're scaring me.
Oh my God.
All right, let's
wait,
get
then can I stand up?
Stand up? You think it's a fluke?
You, honest to God, you guys have no idea. I could not do this.
Have a seat and tell us about it.
Okay, what exactly
Hi,
did
Sheryl.
you do?
Hi, Sheryl.
Really?
Welcome,
Hi.
Sheryl.
Thank you.
So Cheryl's coming from Tehachapi, and she's no joke. She came in a lot of excitement. Didn't you come in with a lot of excitement?
Yes.
And your main issue was your right hip.
Yes.
Right hip pain, couldn't walk.
Could not.
And we had a little shortness of breath, but
Yes.
that's not what you came for.
No.
You came for, excuse me, whoa, I had a little burp there, sorry guys. You came for this right hip, couldn't walk, and you were told L4, L5, they wanted to do ablation. You had cortisone shots, you had, or steroid shots, steroid pills, and
Nothing worked.
today we found C5,
Oh my God.
we found T9, and we found S4. And I just started on C5, I haven't even done the other stuff, and she had her, you had a little bit of an emotional release.
I did. I don't know what happened, but I could not walk for 14 weeks. I'm not lying. And I just walked. I don't know what you did. I swear to God, you're a miracle maker. I'm not joking. I'm not even joking right
Can
now.
you like stand up and walk and just make sure? And she got a son who's a cop, so you know I gotta be mindful of that, right? Sorry, I take care of a bunch of cops too. They're good.
I could not do this.
Have a seat.
I don't even know how I'm doing this.
I got more.
I'm not kidding.
I got more.
Oh my God.
I'm a voodoo child. Lord,
Is that
I'm a
even
voodoo
possible?
child. What?
Is that possible?
Everything's possible if you believe.
I believe. I'm
You just
telling
have to
you right now.
believe,
God.
dude. We're gonna do a little more 5 on the right, lightly.
Whatever you want to do, I don't care.
I just gotta do a little lightly, light, just a little bit more C5 and lift. A little bit more, drop, drop, look up.
There we
That's
go.
the home run. Walk it out. So just for fun,
Yes.
let's go say hi to your sister.
Oh my God, she's gonna freak out.
Hey sis!
Yeah.
She got something to tell you.
Oh.
I can't believe it.
Thank you.
I can't believe it.
Just be careful.
Don't mess up my work now, lady. I haven't even touched her back yet. Shasha.
This is my neck.
She's crying.
Just my neck.
Are you kidding?
No.
Look at that. I can't believe this.
Now the fun part. Come on down.
Okay.
Face down. You ready?
I'm ready.
We're gonna do T9 next, and then we're gonna end with the S4. And T9 is gonna be light because all that cortisone shut off your adrenals, so we get you to turn them back on, slide up a little bit. Let me get this.
No.
Just
Like this much?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
T9.
Okay.
Was she behaving with you, Sheryl?
Oh, she's being great.
T9. Nice and easy. Relax the shoulders, man. That's the
Oh, that was a home run already.
Ah.
Oh my God, I can breathe better. What is that? Well, I don't even have to hold your hand. I can.
Check it out. Well, put your head up, dude.
God.
Put your head up, yo.
I'm going back to my 10,000 steps.
Yes, you are.
The best thing.
That's what I'm
ever.
saying. Yeah. Go face down. Now the fun part.
This one?
I saved the best for last.
Oh, this is this one?
Oh, yeah. Slide up a little bit.
Whoops.
Now here's what I want you guys to see here. Look, all of this is inflammation from her sacrum. This is not fat, okay? This is inflammation. So what we need to do is break that stuff up.
Yeah.
S4. S4. Oh, she got a lot of heat.
Okay.
A lot of heat. I need you to just breathe, man. Just breathe. And I need to torque it up to bring that left hip down, okay?
Yeah.
Torque. 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 Oh, yeah. Relax there. That's the That's the home run. Oh.
Now I know what they go through on
Now
TV.
you know.
Holy schmoly. Okay. Oh, I've never, ever felt that in my life. That is amazing. How can that be so amazing?
I don't know.
I mean, it doesn't even hurt. It just.
I mean, but here, you know, it's like Kung Fu
Oh my
Panda. There's no extra charge for
God.
amazing or awesomeness, okay? There's no extra charge for amazing and awesomeness.
I'm like. Never.
Now stand, now walk.
Oh my God. Okay. Why do I feel so light?
Yeah.
No, I'm not
Yeah.
kidding.
I know. That's what you hear them say, right?
I feel that though. Wait a minute. God.
Now here's, you want to see
come
something cooler?
on, yes.
Sit on the floor. Look how easy it is. Stand up quick, check it out.
Oh my God.
Look!
Oh my God.
Now walk another
No.
time.
Okay, you guys. Okay, you. Oh no. How did you do that?
It's what I do, man. Have a seat. That's what I do.
I am freaking out. Now, there's one girl that I watch. She's the blonde-haired girl. Oh my God, now I totally get her.
What do you get?
The way she is.
Releases?
Yes.
The emotions that come out?
Yes.
Neck is clear, dude. Dude is clear. Dude is clear.
I have never felt that in my life.
Have you ever been adjusted before?
No, not like, never.
Not
never.
like that.
No.
Now you know the difference.
Yeah.
Now you remember, check it out. Look,
Oh my God.
look, 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 look,
Okay,
look.
I'm a believer. Oh!
Ears, sit up straight. Now you listen.
What was that?
That was an ear adjustment. Shoulders, let me do the work, let me do it. Clunk, let me do it. You know what's really cool? You don't need that stick anymore. Go on your back, go on your back. You know what's really cool? Looks like a candy cane.
I know it.
Maybe I'll take it for my kids.
How did you do that?
Do what?
That one.
Do
The
what?
lower one.
What do you mean?
I don't understand.
That's what I do.
I know, but I feel different. I can't explain it. I feel light. You know?
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Trust me, I know 100%. Give me your right leg. Left leg. And now after the alignment, you get a buff and polish.
Nice.
Then you go home and do your wash and wax. Yeah, come on up there. She's barely using my hand too. That was awesome. That was pretty awesome.
Are you going to shake my hand too?
Later.
All right.
I'm not gonna shake your hand. I'm gonna squeeze your hand.
Yes. And we get to we get to do this again on Saturday, right?
That's right.
All of it again?
It's whatever your body tells me, right?
Okay.
Probably.
Oh, that feels good too. Wow.
Vibration therapy
Yes.
is different. This is not the meat tenderizer.
Right,
This
okay.
is vibration. And your homework is very simple, just like you hear me tell everyone. Do your steps. I'm going to give you two things, one for inflammation, one for digestion.
Okay.
And we'll figure out on Saturday the next steps. We've got a little bit of work, not a lot, but a little bit.
Okay. I'll do it.
And the best part is you had your aha experience first visit.
Oh,
But remember one thing, okay?
yeah.
You've never been adjusted like this before. So you're getting that endorphin release, you're getting all this stuff happening physiologically in the body.
Yes.
You may go home and get really tired. You may go home and want to like throw up. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay?
Just be ready for whatever.
Because here's the thing. When you come in, you have a lot of excitement, but you also have a lot of anxiety. So it's going to be that balancing and figuring it out. You get all excited, you wake up tomorrow, oh my God, it hurts.
Okay.
I'm not saying it will or it won't.
Okay.
Just balance. Okay?
Okay.
Stand up and let's check the hands. Squeeze. You don't hurt me. Come here. Come here. Squeeze. Let's do the hands. Relax the hands. Let me have it.
Okay.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. That's it. Let it go. Let it go. There you go.
I'm gonna get addicted to this.
Questions for me?
No.
Welcome to the office.
I love it. Thanks for having me.
You're very welcome.
Really?
I'll
No,
see you.
okay.
You have
Saturday.
any questions?
No, I'm on cloud nine. I'm high right now. I'm sorry, but
You smoked something before you came?
No, I did not.
Oh, this is like a
This-
natural Chiro high?
Yes,
That's a crack high.
I'm on crack
That's,
high right
that's the
now.
new crack high. This ain't the 80s though. Jokes aside, welcome, man. Okay?
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Yes, pleasure. Yes.